beach. She my pretty young thing, and I do anything for her.
I love you, ay, pretty young thing. You need some loving from a real one. I wanna love you, ay, pretty young thing. You need some loving, and I'm a real one. Hold up, what's up? What's your name? I should've asked the verse before, don't throw shade. A lot of girls do too much for that fame, but I can get to know you just from your page.
Boom. Hey everybody. So today I'm going to be doing some twists on my hair. These twists are called passion twists. They've been going pretty viral lately. The girl who does them, her name is @XOLoveKaylin, and she was basically the first person to put everybody on game about them, and she put out a tutorial, and then I saw another girl do a tutorial. I can't remember her name right now, but I'll put it in here. But she used the rubber band method to do hers, which was something I just can't get the twist, how they split it and rotate and then twist and turn. I just can't get it. But the rubber band method seemed easier, especially for somebody with short hair like me. So things you're gonna need, of course, a crochet needle, some rubber bands, preferably ones that match your hair, but I could not find any here, so I just got these yellow ones. A comb, probably one that has one of these metal ends so you can part really well. And then hair, of course everybody uses free tress, but since I'm overseas I couldn't get any access to free tress, so my best bet was going to be to get some hair from AliExpress. So I got my hair from AliExpress. Ow, hit my finger. I'm sure free tress may be better, but I got mine from AliExpress, and the girl I saw used 8 packs, so hopefully that's enough. And she said 7 minutes, so I got 8. And I can just show you the hair in the pack, but you always want to get like a curly kind of hair. I really wish I would have got 613. I only got 3. I got 3 613s because I didn't think my hair was 613, but it appears to be basically 613. So I got 613s and I got some 22s. Wow, how does my hair look like this? Both of those colors. Okay, well I should be okay, because at first I thought this color was too dark, which it is just a little bit. It shouldn't make a difference because my hair is very short. Okay, so I split it in half because I know I'm gonna struggle with the back, but I just want to get one side done, part of the other side. I want to struggle with the back. I don't want to just have to hold back to the one and struggle first. So I changed my routine up just a tad because I needed some more than coconut oil. I needed some extra conditioner. So I'm just using, I think it's a deep conditioner from Garnier. Like I said, I don't have much with me, so I've been using this and I love it and it smells amazing. Okay, so I've gotten to the back and I can no longer see. I don't have like a way to, another mirror or whatever to figure it out, so I'm just gonna use my fingers to do it. So I finally have it all done. It took me forever, 2 hours if I'm not mistaken, but that's just because I really couldn't see the back of my head and I just wanted to make sure I was doing it perfect. So I think I have like a little less, like maybe like 66, I think. I feel like this side may have a little bit more, but I mean it's cool, whatever. I couldn't see it at all, so I'm actually gonna replay this and watch it to see what it actually looks like. But yeah, so I would just part it, put a little gel on the edges, put this on my hair, and then put the rubber band on it, and then put a little more gel and twist it. I probably won't leave the twist like this. I had planned on doing that at first, but my hair is so thick that that's probably not gonna work. So oh, it looks adorable. Okay, I'm just gonna keep going. I'll come back when I'm close to finish. Hey everybody. So I came back on camera to do 3 more twists. Like I said, I didn't really want to do this video because my twists didn't necessarily come out like I wanted them. Pretty much basically like the passion twist style. So to me, it's kind of like my own take on the passion twist. I feel like the passion twists are a lot more messy, and mine are a lot more clean besides my roots. It looks more real to me than mine, but I mean, mine still look okay. But I'm gonna come on camera and do a few more. I have 3 more to do because one of them fell out, and 2 of them I just missed. So, I don't know how everybody else did theirs. It looked so easy, but I had the most trouble with mine. So this one fell out good. So I just used the rubber band, wrapped it around. I've had them in for about 4 or 5 days, and I've actually been liking them. They're growing on me. I guess because they were just so much unlike what I was going for. That was the only reason I kind of was upset, but so I like to pick it up with the smallest end and not the middle, because I don't know, maybe if you have a larger hook it'll work, but my hook is pretty small. Yeah, my hook is pretty small, so it was hard for me to grab it from the middle, so I would grab it from the end. And this part is the most difficult to me because if you can't just twist them any direction. See, like if I twist this any old direction, it's not going to, it's just not going, like I'm gonna twist it all the way down just to show you. Unravels and give me more of a, like I don't know what this is type. Maybe this is how, because this is not really a twist at all. Like I see no twist here, it's just kind of raveled up. So sometimes I would have that problem. Like to me, you can't just twist it anyway, you have to twist it a certain way. Have another one here, and I'll show you how, like I left some of my hair, some of them I just couldn't twist, like I couldn't figure out how to twist them. So such as this one, like this one I used 2 pieces, but I couldn't figure out how to ever twist them uniformly no matter what I did. So I gave up and I just left it. I would just leave them like this and just have some curly strands instead of twisting it, because And it was just a blessing that it just happened to blend my hair. So like, this is my hair. And I mean, it sort of sticks out, but sometimes no matter how hard I try, I could never. Like this one, I know I tried it in every single direction possible. And I'll just show you how I couldn't just get it to. See, like that's finna run. That's about to run. See? So I'll do this and then I'll try to, like, if I can't do it backwards, then I will try to do it forward. Still not working, as you see. Then I will go back and I'll try to give me a piece from each side, like this, which is the way I did my first one. Try to give me a piece from each side, and then twist. But as you see, oh wait, hold on. Well, I think this one kind of, it would do a little bit, but still not what I want. Still better. It would always do that. I would always try to go back in, find my piece of hair and hide it. Just pull it down a few places to hide. But I could never get it perfect, so since I could never get it right, I just would leave it. I would basically just braid up as much of my hair as I could, and I would leave this part because I could never get it right. Okay, so on to the one. Sometimes I'll go stick another one of these in here if I really want to cover it up. Like, let's say I want to do that right now. I'm trying to get it really thick around the edge. And I'll see. I'm gonna try to, but I'm gonna show you how difficult it is to do too, because I don't know, I just could never get him to. One, two, grabbing them both by the ends. That's okay. Oh shit, this might work. It is working. But sometimes you won't get the two to act as good as you want them to, so. But those two happen to be in the same direction, so. Yep, that's how I do it pretty much. And That one's pretty good. I even hit the rubber band, and for this little piece of hair sticking out, like I said, I'll just go back in and slide it to the next loop to pretty much hide it. But yeah, they've been kind of tied up. This is a finished look. Yeah, that's it. I don't really wear them down because I don't know. I don't really like them to be, if I move up or something, I don't really like them to move. So I usually just like grab a few from the insides. And you can tie them up, I'm sure, but I'd rather use a clip because I want to know that they're not going anywhere. So I usually don't like this because I don't want them to be in my face. But I'm going to Morocco tomorrow, and I don't think they really like your hair down, so lately I've been just putting it in a ponytail. I'm sure you can still rock it with your own hair. You don't really have to use the ponytail holder. And I just tie it up like this. I just get my scarf. Jesus. Oh. And then I just tie it up. And then if you want, like if I take a shower, because I like to wash my back and stuff in the shower, I just put this on it, like an extra large bonnet. I put all of it in this bonnet. Or sometimes if I get annoyed with it when I'm asleep, I put all of it in this bonnet. So yeah, that's how I do it. And that's pretty much everything about this style. Like I said, of course, you can still see some of the yellow rubber bands on my head, but I honestly just don't care. Like, it took me so long to do this hairstyle. It didn't matter to me, but yeah, this is it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you later.